Hey, it's Kim from Martin-Made, back with a very quick tip on a simple way to style a bed. Alright, here I'm starting with a bed that's simply made with a blanket, a sheet set that includes the fitted and the flat sheet, and 2 pillows that have the coordinating pillow cases. These are what I call the sleeping pillows, the ones that you would normally sleep on. So we start with this basic layout, and then we move on to incorporating the pillow shams. So that's another set of pillows that have the shams that coordinate with the blanket that we have on the bed. There you go, right there. Easy enough, right? And now we top that off with a standard lumbar pillow right in the middle of the bed to add a nice decorative element. It coordinates with the rest of the room and pulls the design in together. And normally what I like to do, last but not least, is to add a nice cozy throw blanket onto the bed that also coordinates but really is more functional than anything. And there you have it, a nice simple formula for an easy way to style a bed.